Good morning, class. It is question number 27. A boat covers 32 km upstream and 36 km downstream in 7 hours. Also, it covers 40 km upstream and 48 km downstream in 9 hours. Find the speed of boat in still water and that of stream means speed of stream. Let speed of boat in still water x kilometer per hour. Speed of boat in still water, speed of stream y kilometer per hour. Then the speed of boat in downstream downstream means धारा के साथ. We to find the speed of boat in downstream, we simply add speed of boat with speed of stream. Means speed of boat in downstream is x plus y kilometer per hour. Now speed of boat in upstream means धारा के विपरीत stream of boat in upstream, we simply subtract speed of stream from speed of boat in still water. Means speed of boat in upstream is x minus y kilometer per hour. Now time taken to cover 32 km upstream, time equal distance upon, let it is t1, time equal distance upon speed, distance time equal distance upon speed, distance is 32 km and speed in upstream which is x minus y. Then t1 equal 32 upon x minus y. Time taken to cover 36 km in downstream, 36 km downstream, let it is t2, time equal distance upon speed, distance upon speed means, sorry, it is s, distance is 36 and speed in downstream is x plus y, then it is x plus y. A boat covers 32 km upstream and 36 km downstream in 7 hours. Means 32 km upstream, time is t1 and time taken to cover 36 km in downstream is t2 and total time is 7 hours. Means t1 plus t2 equals 7 hours and value of t1 is 32 upon x minus y T2 is 36 upon x plus y equals 7 hours, and it is our first equation. Now time taken to cover 40 kilometer upstream and 48 kilometer downstream is 9 hours. 40 kilometer upstream, let it is T1 dash, then T1 dash equal distance 40 kilometer upon speed in upstream is x minus y. Now time taken to cover 48 kilometer downstream, T2 dash, time equal distance which is 48 kilometer upon speed in downstream x plus y. Total time to cover 40 kilometer in upstream and 48 kilometer in downstream is 9 hours. Then T1 dash plus T2 dash equal 9. Value of T1 is 40 upon x minus y and 40 upon x plus y equal 9. It is our second equation. Now first equation is 32 upon x minus y plus 36 upon x plus y equal 7, and second equation is 40 upon x minus y plus 40 upon x plus y, 48 upon x plus y equal 9. Now solve these equation. We multiply second equation by 32 and first equation by 40 to make equal coefficient of x minus y. Then from first equation is multiplied by 40, then it becomes 40 into 1280 upon x minus y plus 40 into 0, 144 upon x plus y equal 280, and 32 into 48 into 32 we have 2 by x plus y and no subtract these equation, we get on subtracting we get minus 96 by x plus y is equal minus 8, then it is equal minus 96 by minus 8 and x plus y equal 12. Put the value of x plus y in equation first. We have x plus y equal 12, then 32 upon in equation 1 we have 32 upon x minus y plus 36 upon 12 equals 7. Then 32 upon x minus y equals 3 plus 3 equals 7. Then 32 upon x minus y equals 7 minus 3 means 4. Then value of x minus y is 32 by 4 gives 8, means the value of x minus y is 8. It is equation second, and our first equation is x plus y equal 12. Put both of equation together and solve it. Since coefficient of y are equal and opposite side, we simply add this equation. 2x, y cancel out, 12 at 20, then value of x is 10. Put x equal 10. So it is equation number 3rd and 4th. Put x equal 10 in equation 3rd. We have x minus y equal 8 and 10 minus y equal 8. Value of y is 2. Then it is x kilometer per hour. Speed of boat in still water and speed of stream is 2 kilometer per hour, and it is answer.